Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fizami Saudian with NPM 22060591181. And in this video, I will be explaining about one of the last tests of Magnum for this semester, which is the shock absorption. First, we go to the parameter with the mass and external force. The code defines M as the mass of the trailer carrying the satellite, while the F under dash T represent the external force acting on the trailer due to rough terrain. This force is modeled as a sine wave with a magnitude of 200 Newton, oscillating at 4 cycles per second. The next is shock specification, with the code defined a cell array named shock. It stores information about 3 different shock absorbers, include air coaster, cloud rider, and extreme shocks. With the K, represent the string representing the shock, representing the stiffness coefficient of the shock absorber, measured in newtons per meter, and the beta uh, representing damping coefficient of the shock absorber, measured in newton second per meter. The next is time parameter, with the T under dash N defines the total simulation time. DT defines the time step for calculation within the simulation 0.01 second. The T is a factor that represents time point throughout the simulation from 0 second to T under dash N with the increment of DT. The next is pre-allocate array, which include absorption. Absorption is a pre-allocated to the array. This array will store the calculated absorbed force for each shock absorber at each time step during the simulation. Next is simulating the shock absorber with the Euler method. The code uses a loop for I equals 1 length shocks to iterate through each shock absorber defined in the shock cell array. Inside the loop, it retrieves the stiffness or K and damping coefficient beta for the current shock absorber. It initializes X for displacement and V for velocity to 0, assuming the trailer starts at rest, no initial displacement or velocity. Absorption underscore T is a temporary array that will store the absorbed force for the current shock absorber at each time step. Another loop for J equals 1 length T. It iterates through each time step in the T vector. Inside this loop, the code calculates the acceleration, or A, using the equation of motion for a damped mass spring system subjected to an external force. This equation considers the mass, the damping coefficient, stiffness, current displacement, current velocity, and external force at the current time step. It updates the velocity and displacement based on the calculated acceleration and the time step using the Euler method, a numerical integration technique. This code calculates the absorbed force at the current time step using the damping coefficient and the current velocity, along with the stiffness and current displacement. This represents the force dissipated by the shock absorber. The calculated absorbed force is stored in the absorbed underscore T array for the current time step. Once the loop finishes iterating, the absorber force data for the current shock absorber is stored in the corresponding row of the pre-allocated absorption array, and then analyzing and presenting the result. The code creates a new window figure. It enables hold-on mode to plot multiple lines for the same figure. Another loop for I equals 1 length shocks iterates through each shock absorber. Inside the loop, it plots the absorbed force absorption I for the current shock absorber versus time using the plot function. The shock absorber's name is set as a display name for the line using display name. This helps differentiate the lines in the legend. This plot is titled with a descriptive message explaining the compression of shock absorber. Labels are added for the x-axis and y-axis to provide context for the plot. Here it is, the graphic. And a legend is created to differentiate the lines for each shock absorber, making it easier to identify which line corresponded to which shock absorber. A grid is added on the plot for better readability. We see that the The answer is this: with the back wet air coaster with max absolute force is 19 Newton, Cloud Riders 48 Newton, and Extreme Shock 52 Newton, which make the recommended shock absorber is Extreme Shock. This is all from me. Thank you for listening to me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.